that our competitors want to sell you one wrench. They want to sell the idea that you buy one wrench from them and it's going to cover every application. That's just not true. We want to make sure that our customers understand that there's a tool for every job, and that when you make up or tighten bolts, that's one job. When you're breaking loose bolts, that's a whole nother job. So when we have makeup and breakout, we're talking about two different torque wrenches. For us, the best breakout wrench in the business is the thin line. It's got a lot of torque, twice the torque of anything else in its class, and it doesn't break. We give it a lifetime warranty. We're sure that you're going to like it and think it's the toughest tool in the business. Then when we come to makeup, makeup's about speed. That's what the spin torque is. The spin torque can rotate and apply full torque in both directions, forward and reverse, and it does it very fast. Speeds that go 36, 100 times faster depending on the model than standard ratcheting hydraulic torque wrenches. Our spin torque rotates continuously, has a lot of power transfer in the double enveloping worm gear, and it allows it to be driven by a pneumatic, hydraulic, or electric motor. That gives us a lot of options when it comes to applying torque. The zip nut is very unique. This device was originally developed and used with NASA on the space shuttle missions and on the repair of the Hubble telescope. The zip nut has 3 segments that are spring-loaded, and you can slide the zip nut down the bolt. It doesn't matter if the threads are damaged or what condition they're in. You push it on, give it a twist, and it's already in place and ready to do its job. When you use something like this in subsea applications, you can save serious dive time. I'm talking about hours, and that's a lot of money to people. When you use them in special applications like nuclear power plants, let's say you're taking a manway off of a reactor to replace some fuel rods, you want to do that as fast as you can with very limited human contact. The zip nut takes a lot of time off of that job. The double zip nut is incorporated into our tensioners, into our lifting tools and grappling tools, and it's also a great way to fully automate the bolt tightening process. When the zip nut's incorporated into our stud tensioners, the stud tensioners simply slide on, do their job, they stretch the bolt, you turn the nut down, and then you just slide it off. You can cut the time that it takes to tension a flange, not in half, but easily you can do it in less than a quarter of the time that it would take with standard tensioners. When we talk about nut splitters, FASTORQ is also unique because we have the only hydraulic nut splitters in the business that are straight head, angle head, and angle head double cutting. For subsea applications, it's the only nut splitter that can be used remotely with an ROV and remove the nut cleanly